Yeah, it's me, I'm back. Well, I've done it. I hit the big 6-0 and I retired. So does this mean I'm going to be a full-time YouTuber? Does this mean that? No. So yeah, retirement. I got to my 60th birthday and decided enough is enough. I need to get out of the rat race and live a little. So what does that mean? Retire. It means I can get on with all the little jobs that I've been wanting to do for a long time. Just get on with them, get them done. I haven't had much time to go flying over the years, so maybe I can get back into the flying. I've pretty much given up on the flying. As you know, I got a bike, I've got my e-bike, and I've been cycling. So I've been getting out and doing a lot more cycling. So we'll talk about that a little bit later. But one thing I wanted to do is get out a lot more. Get out of the shed and start exploring, living life a little bit. So my mode of transport was a van. I've had a van for a number of years, and yeah, it was great. I put my planes in, I could get my bike in there, so it's been really handy as a van. But one thing I decided, now it's retirement, it's time to change the van. Not change it, change it. You know what I mean? This van became a camper van. So we went down to Dan's Campers and I had a look at what units, and these were they weren't the cheapest, but they were the mid-range one. That leaves a problem. What about my bike? Where's my bike go? But I'll cover that a little bit later. Not in this video, maybe another video. So where does that leave this channel? I'm still going to do flying. I'm still going to do my cycling. I'm still going to cover anything really, anything electronic, gadgetry. Now I've got a different entity because I've now got a van, and I'm having to learn an awful lot about the van life. And there's things that I've been discovering quite quickly which I wish I knew about, and I'm going to share that information with you. I know there's lots of other YouTubers doing those sort of things, but I'm kind of I'm rather than reviewing items, I'm just going to talk about the pitfalls and problems. I'm also going to try and cover a lot of things that I find out being 60, what I can tap into. Like, I've got my free bus pass, which is 60 in Wales. You get a free bus pass. So I've got a free bus pass and I've used it. And yeah, find out a little bit of life hacks, let's just say. So as I find out about things that I think might be helpful to you guys, I'm going to share that information. It's nice to be back and have a little bit more time. I've been busy obviously sorting out the van, and this is courtesy of Dan's Campers, and he's done an amazing job. And I'll put some photographs on to show you what how it looks.